the limiting belief. So the limiting belief can be, I'm not good enough, so the unknown is,
I'm very good.
so an unknown for a person like that is that I can be successful without sabotaging myself. And it's filed as danger and as pain. What does that mean? What does that mean? That if the mind is set to preserve us, will it voluntarily go from the known to the unknown?
No.
No, because
Danger and fear and pain.
yes, and if it leaves the known, it thinks that the organism will
Not preserve itself.
die.
Yeah.
That's where this breaks down fear of change and fear of commitment and not being my word and and abusing myself and not caring. This is right here. It's a fear of death, perceived death.
Yeah.
There's no real death. Is there a death? If I try something else that I've never tried before, am I,
Be specific, right? Yeah.
if I try to be good enough, and even though I'm saying that I'm not good enough, am I gonna die?
No.
But the mind literally thinks that I'm gonna die.